Hi guys, it's Bay here, and today it has been basically, I think it's like 2 days now after the prank. Obviously, the time from the prank, my mom has been so angry at me, like, she's been really angry, she's been annoyed, and obviously, I wanted to ask her some questions based on how she felt during the prank, after the prank, you know. And now I've got like 5 questions I'm gonna go ask her. And yeah, guys, come, let's go ask mum the questions.
You're able to guide somebody by your place through to a place where they are deeply relaxed. She said she's never experienced such a
Hi,
thing.
mom.
She sleeps. It feels like somebody I feel so
What is it?
Okay,
after this
so
experience. And I'm so excited.
I've come to ask you some questions based on the prank that I did to you.
This is not another prank, is it?
No. Don't worry, it's not.
Okay. What's the
Okay,
question?
so I'm gonna ask questions and you're gonna answer them honestly and yeah.
Honestly.
Okay, so the first question is, how did you feel when I did the prank?
Number one, you completely caught me off guard.
Mm-hmm.
And it was when I was doing my studies. When I was doing my studies, I was literally all bent on completing my case studies. So I was all, dived in and, I wasn't thinking of, I just wanted to get it done. And then you come in, I thought it was just a joke to show me, I know you wash your hair.
Mm-hmm.
I know you wash your hair, so it wasn't nothing. But yeah, how I felt. In fact, as we speak now, my heart is still pounding. But no problem, no worries. It's okay.
Okay. Did you know that it was a prank?
How will I know? She marry prank before. How these things are things people do outside. What we do, we know we dance, we encourage people.
Yeah.
Ke prank what am biko.
Okay, the third question is, how do you feel right now?
Right now? I pipe go low now.
Yeah.
Ogana. Nke kita pipe go ma obu before. Yesterday o dum kom go rola. So Chineke zo. In fact, the scissors come aka cho. We take go the scissors like we go di share. Ebe ọ bụ na ịkọrọ isi na agụgụ. Nwata na-egewebeghị ije ụgbawebeghị igbe gere ije gbaa otu ọsọ. You got to go? It's just that I wasn't sure what is going on, especially when you said there was a time you said this was exactly the reaction but I could see that your hair had changed color. And you knew what I said to you. I said, Zina, what are you doing? What is this? Okay, can you be here? Color issue. And I now remembered when you came and said to me, Mommy, don't come downstairs, you're going to wash your hair. And I saw you pat your hair into 4.
Yeah.
And I said to you that, Zina, your hair is even fine. You betrayed me. I feel betrayed. And I have to, you're asking me genuinely, okay?
Yeah.
I really, because I was even saying to you, your hair is nice, Mommy, the way you pat it into 4.
Yeah.
And then you come to my room and say, Mommy, don't come down. Anything you need, I should text you.
Yeah.
That's what you would normally do. But I wasn't expecting it. And then when I got I said to you, Mommy, get me a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Benjamin brings cup of tea for me. And I'm like, why? Where is Zina? Zina chia na-emeji mbembeji atre. Na oye njiri bu Zina. Kidi hiji wotere oji bro bed. I said, no, Zina is busy. I didn't even. Zina, she don't do that next time. Next time you give him prank that day. I got my panish. Don't even try it.
Okay. The next question is, yeah. The next question is, what would you have wanted me to do as your child?
Zina, you know we have a very good and established relationship. Okay?
Yeah.
You get mail here. Igwam. I always tell you, you make something gwam. Don't do it outside. Anything man in front of me, then that thing is wrong.
Yeah.
Okay? So what I would have expected you to do is, mommy, I want to try my hair. And then I will explain to you now, EJ school. Now school, notice any issue the color, they will tell you to cut it. Okay? And given that I'm a coloration because I try to give it a little light. Because of my front line cut too. Yeah. My worry is number one, your hair will cut. You don't even know the implications of what you are doing. I should be the one, just like when you wanted to trim your eyebrows. Remember, I helped you to trim your eyebrows because I knew it was bushy. I helped you a little bit. So you need to take me through it. I know you are young, you're young, you're growing, you want to do something, but I don't want you to do things because people are doing it. I want I want you to do things because it's right and it is needful, it's essential. I don't want you to do it because your friends are doing. There was one time your friends were doing 16th birthday limousine. I will give you that £500 or 600 or 1,000 pounds. Go and save it or use it for something else. Don't do things because others are doing it. Do you want to go? So what I would have expected you to do is to let me know, mommy, I want to color my hair. I remember the scenario I gave you.
Yeah.
If you want to play pranks, play pranks. Don't madne go to bara. Can you hit your color why she for in the first place? Could have put something in your hair. It's a mental game. Even if you didn't color it, the fact that you said it will make me to, why did you even put color on your hair? And I said to you, it's just like going to, you want to play pranks on me or your daddy and you want to say that you had sex for the first time. Are you going to go and find somebody walking around the street and try it just because you want to make pranks? No. Next time, mommy, tell me, okay? Anything you want to do, let me know. I'm in the best position to advise you on the best way to go about it until you are big enough to make informed decisions for yourself. A lot of people, in fact, now that you're recording it, let me even say, a lot of children have made mistakes. Honestly, because of what we do online. It is very, very important we are very careful. All these slay queens slaying here and there, slaying even themselves, destroying younger generation because these children are watching you. Or they are watching you. And it's whatever you do, a child that sees you as a role model will go and do it. In fact, as I speak, I vex. I still vex. Say you go color your hair without me. Because I should have been the one to show you how to do it. You got that good? I got even you go patting the hair. I'll show you everything. I'll do it myself. But the fact that you did it, the fact that I wasn't there to take you through it, it's always good to learn from the right person. Okay? Because if you learn the wrong way, you will learn to do it the wrong way. And because you have informed your subconscious, you will always do that thing. You will always go through the wrong process because you didn't learn well. You can feel I'm vibing. You got me speaking like in Daboski Pahose. Before you had that, no there. You can't know them. That's when you got on chill, but Jesus.
I'm actually so surprised that you.
That what happened?
Your reaction wasn't. I thought it would have been something else, like you would have smacked me or did something totally different.
When was the last time I smacked you? You're a big girl now. We now reason together. My problem is when you don't want to reason with me and you start doing things without my consent. You are still a baby. You might think you're a big girl. You are still under mommy's roof. You're still under my care.
Yeah.
I'm still literally in charge. You can't sign anything without me.
Yeah.
Okay? So I am the one looking after you. So if you're going to work, this life is so deep and confusing. And you can't walk through this. It's a pothole. Otherwise, it doesn't need me.
Yeah.
So I know what I've done in life and I can help you navigate through it. Okay?
Yes,
Biko mommy. Biko. If it was my father and my mother, hey, what the way no good. Oh, why ya get chi? Okwa chiteke ihe chi oyihe ya chi ohu your brother will beat you, your aunt beat you on top, or another person, even when they're coming, they heard what you've done, they will get a cane and beat you on top of it. So there will be a constellation of beating from different places.
Like, your and Daddy's reaction was two totally different reactions, literally.
When you told Daddy, what did he do?
Daddy was so calm about it. He was like,
But I was calm.
Mommy, you were... Mommy was not calm. You were like, Chineke!
I hope you will not post that thing anyway. It's just if I knew it was a prank, then I would have comforted myself.
Do you know the thing is, I didn't even know whether you were being for real or whether you were actually angry or you were just joking.
I could not sleep. Zina, my heart was skipping. I said, Jesus. So my daughter, if you are going to do something, this is a very important thing. Changing your hair. And remember a day before we were talking about piercing. You should be careful the people you make your friends, because when your friends do certain things, you find yourself trying to do what your friends are doing. Remember what we were talking about? And that's why I'm saying, see, you cannot go through this life without being helped.
Yeah.
It's after you've been helped, you see the right way, then you can walk path confidently because you've been shown the right way. Try yours. And I'm telling you, I'm not speaking I'm speaking at you, to you. Like, in fact, you are making me change my language. Take a breath.
Breathe.
I have to go more okay, in fact, because the good thing is, it be shit red.
Yeah.
Hey,
it's like brownie.
it can cut together. That in fact, I gotta make cut.
Wow.
It's okay. It's brown because your hair is not dark. So I don't have much to say. I was just disappointed, but I think we reached an agreement, and I think you understood what I meant by the right person taking you through life. If you do it the wrong way, you will always do it wrong.
Yeah.
By the time you realize it, it's too late. Anything else?
No, that's it.
I hope this is not a prank.
No!
Because I don't trust you anymore.
It's not, don't worry. But yeah, that's it from us. This is Bay and...
Mom.
Hashtag Team Bay!
In fact, you know what? It's just that this thing is not my kind of thing. If not, I would have pulled one nasty one. It's not my thing. I can't do prank. I don't know how to do. I think it's a young generation thing, honestly. But another thing is, I also commend you. I know I felt the pain, as in I felt I could have helped you do it for the first time. Then you know what to do next time. And then I would have chosen the best color for you and stuff, at least, even if it's making it darker or something.
Yeah.
But notwithstanding, what I wanted to commend you about is the fact that you took the initiative, thought about it, worked hard. It's just a process. It's not something I thought we would have done. But the fact that you thought about it is a plus. Biko,
I won't do it.
Don't break my heart, because I don't want to faint and you start calling ambulance when you do something silly. And my yokwa, because my heart is not as strong as it used to be. Be careful. Disclaimer. Ada mama. Well, thank you.
Bye, guys.